Hey guys, we got this 2020 Lexus IS300 here, and this is going to work for any of the IS series vehicles from 2014 to 2020. And I'm going to be showing you how to replace this turn signal bulb, and I'll actually show you both sides. Very, very simple. So obviously first thing, we need to pop the hood, and hood latch is just located down here. Get this opened up, and we don't need to remove any covers or anything like that, but if you take a look right down in here, there's a gray connector down there. Yep, and then on this side, it's just right out in the open right here. So all we're gonna do is just turn that like so and pull it out, and it gives us access to our bulb. Now these front bulbs, they call for a 7444NA. It's a double filament amber colored bulb, and it looks like this. And just pulls out and pushes back in, and we just get that lined up and give it a turn clockwise to lock it into place. Now for this other side, this will make your life a little bit easier, but these two little plastic tabs that are sticking up here, if you squeeze those together, you can lift and move your washer fluid neck out of the way in order to gain access to this socket. And once again, counterclockwise to remove it. And then once you get it out, I actually like to just sort of flip-flop these around and bring the socket out to the back. Gives you more room. And then you can pull that out and change it. And then just feed it back around and stick it back into the hole. And we'll lock that back into place, turning it clockwise. Make sure that that is seated and locked in correctly. And then we can just lift this up, and that just snaps back into place. So that's it. If you have any questions, throw them in the comment section below. Give the video a thumbs up if it helps, subscribe for more content, and we'll see you in the next one.